How do you run the Georgia child support calculation? First, find the calculator online and create an account. Then enter the basic information such as names of the parties, the county, the court that you're in, and you'll add each child and their year of birth. The calculation will be based on the income of both parties. This is the gross before tax income. You don't want to determine income using a tax return or a W-2. This is because taxable income is not the same as child support income. If you have some pre-tax expenses like health insurance and you contribute to a 401k, those are not taxed, but those are considered in your child support calculation. So I look at the 2 most recent paycheck stubs and also the last paycheck from the previous year, and then use the year-to-date gross income to determine child support income. Comparing the 2 most recent paycheck stubs to the year-end paycheck stub from the previous year can help you determine if the other party is now making more money. Bonuses and any not guaranteed income are absolutely considered part of income. When a party has variable income, often you will average the last 2 to 3 years. If a party is unemployed or underemployed, so they are capable of earning more money, you also can impute income. There is a line for imputed income on the worksheet. Once you've plugged in both parties' income, then you need to determine who is going to be paying for the health insurance for the children. The child's portion of that health insurance premium, so not the entire family premium, but the difference between them insuring just themselves and then adding the children, that goes into the child support worksheet. Entering just the information that I covered will give you a basic child support number. You need to decide if you're going to run the cost of childcare through the worksheet. My preference is not to do that and do it as a reimbursement outside the worksheet because that's a number that changes frequently and you don't want to have to modify. These steps help you come up with a basic number. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can deviate from the number in the worksheet. And there can be some other complicated issues, like if someone's self-employed, they may have some unreported income, or they might have business income that can be considered income for child support purposes. So if your goal is to really dig into the information and run the worksheet in a way that gives you the best number, you really do want to work with an attorney to do that. However, a lot of people run this number themselves and are happy with the basic calculation.